Hi dear students, how are you? I hope all are fine. Okay, today let me discuss the next topic, quantum mechanical model of an atom and its important features. Okay, see, up to now we discussed about J.J. Thomson atomic model and Rutherford atomic model and Niels Bohr atomic model. These three theories failed in the sense some limitations are there. In order to rectify the limitations of those theories, the next theory came, that is quantum mechanical model of an atom. Okay, now let me discuss the theory. See, the fundamental equation of quantum mechanics was developed by Erwin Schrödinger. Okay, one of the equation of quantum mechanics was developed by Erwin Schrödinger. That I have to see. It explains the three-dimensional concept of moving of electron. Up to now we studied about two-dimensional concept of moving of electron. Now we will study about three-dimensional concept of moving of electron. Okay. Next, see, the equation is based on de Broglie's wave equation and Heisenberg uncertainty principle. This is very important. From these two principles, Erwin Schrödinger able to derived one equation that is called Schrödinger equation. Now let me discuss Schrödinger equation. Okay, see, let psi is equal to a sin 2 pi x by lambda. It is the one of the wave function where psi is equal to wave function. It means amplitude of wave. A is equal to constant, x is equal to displacement, lambda is wavelength. Okay, now psi is equal to a sin 2 pi x by lambda. It is equation number 1. Now we have to differentiate this equation on both sides with respect to x. Then see, dou psi by dou x, it is equal to 2 pi by lambda, because this 2 pi by lambda can come out because of derivation. Now a cos 2 pi x by lambda. Here the derivation of sin x is equal to cos x. Now again I have to differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Then dou square psi by dou x square is equal to 2 pi by lambda into 2 pi by lambda. Another 2 pi by lambda can come out. Okay. See, now a, here the derivation of cos x is equal to minus sin x, minus sin 2 pi x by lambda. Now these two can become, this minus sign can come front, minus 4 pi square by lambda square a sin 2 pi x by lambda. Now it is equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, here if you observe properly, this value it is equal to psi. Okay, now in the place of this I will write psi. Okay, then dou square psi by dou x square is equal to minus 4 pi square by lambda square into psi. Now I want 1 by lambda square value, then it is equal to minus dou square psi by dou x square into 1 by 4 pi square psi. It is equation number 3. Have you understood? Okay, now see, I wrote equation number 1 and equation number 3 here. Now see, from de Broglie's wave equation, we know the equation is lambda is equal to h by mv. Now squaring on both sides, then lambda square is equal to h square by m square v square. Now I want m square v square. Now this term you have to send this side, this lambda square you have to send this side. Then m square v square is equal to h square by lambda square. It is equation number 4. Okay. Now we know that kinetic energy formula of mv square. Now see, this kinetic energy I am writing in this way. How? See, here I will multiply with one m and I will divide with another m. See, m square by m, I mean mm will cancel, then you will get again mv square only. Okay. So this only I am writing in this way. Okay. Now see, from equation number 4 and 5 we can write, now in the place of m square v square you have to substitute this one. Have you understood? Now kinetic energy is equal to half, here m square v square in the sense h square by lambda square, h square by lambda square, already m is there here. Okay. Next, this is equation number 6. Now from equation number 3 and 6 we can write kinetic energy is equal to half h square m, here 1 by lambda value already we know, that value I have to substitute here. Have you understood? Now here minus dou square psi by dou x square into 1 by 4 pi square psi. Nothing, just 1 by lambda square value, this value I substituted here. Okay. Now see, kinetic energy is equal to minus dou square psi by dou x square into h square by 8 pi square m psi. Now it is equation number 7. Now we know that total energy E is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. Potential energy V. Now I want kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to E minus V. It is equation number 8. It is equation number 7. Okay. Okay, see, now I wrote equation number 7 and equation number 8 here. Now from equation number 7 and 8, here both kinetic energies, now both you have to equate. Then you will get E minus V is equal to dou square minus dou square psi by dou x square into h square by 8 pi square m psi. Now here I want dou square psi by dou x square. It is equal to this term you have to send this side. Then minus 8 pi square m by h square into E minus V psi. Now here this term you have to send this side. Then dou square psi by dou x square, it is minus. If it is come to this side, then it will become plus 8 pi square m by h square into E minus V psi is equal to 0. This equation is for one dimensional rotation of electron. Now I want three dimensional rotation of electron. See, now for that I want three coordinates. What are the x, y, z? See, dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square into E minus V psi is equal to 0. It is called Schrodinger wave equation. Okay, see, now it is Schrodinger wave equation. From this psi I am taking as common. Then dou square by dou x square plus dou square by dou y square plus dou square by dou z square into psi plus 8 pi square m h square E minus V into psi is equal to 0. Now this is called Laplacian operator, del square. Okay, instead of this one I am writing del square. Then del square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square into E minus V psi is equal to 0. It is called finally Schrodinger wave equation. Here where psi is equal to wave function or amplitude of the wave, m is the mass of the electron, h is the Planck's constant, E is the total energy, V is the potential energy, k is the kinetic energy, x, y, z are coordinates. Okay, now let me explain some important features of quantum mechanical model of an atom. See, first one is it states that the energy of an electron in an atom is quantized. It means fixed. The energy of the electron in an atom is fixed. Next, it explains the probability, chance of finding of an electron in 3-dimensionally. Okay. Next, the significance of psi. What are the significance of psi? Wave function. See, it is a wave function. It corresponds to energy state which contain all information about electron. Okay. It discuss about all information about electron. Just simply have to remember. Next, significance of psi square. It is a probability function. It indicates maximum probability of finding of an electron at a certain point in an atom is called psi square, probability function. See, next, the probability of finding of an electron at a certain distance from nucleus is called radial probability. The curves obtained by plotting probability function and radial distance are called radial probability distribution curves. These curves are very important, you have to see. Okay. See, this is simply about today's class. If you like this video, then press the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you. All the very best.